Did you know LED lights can transform any space into a winter wonderland? These hourly lighted gift boxes bring a festive glow to your home with 60 LED lights, creating a magical holiday atmosphere. With vibrant colors, energy efficiency, and beautiful design, they're perfect for any indoor or outdoor setting.
Hi everybody, my name is Corinne and I wanted to give you an honest review on these little light-up presents that I just got in the mail for Christmas. I plan on using these on my front porch. My front porch is covered, so I plan on putting them on my front porch under a little lighted tree that we have out there right now, and I'm so excited. So I figured I would unbox them for you. Oh my goodness, lots of glitter. So it comes with 3 different sized presents. Here's what the biggest one looks like. This is going to be the perfect size for underneath the kind of smaller tree I have on my porch. But then it also comes with a medium size inside of it. Okay, so here's the large, here is the medium, and then inside of the medium is a little small one. I can bring that here. And then here is the smallest. I'm noticing they come with like these little bows and pine cones that actually have some Velcro on the back. These little bows with the pine cones, they Velcro onto the top of the box. So this is the one for the bigger present. It goes like that. That looks so cute. Here's the one for the medium present. Just like that. And then there's one for the small present. Okay. So now they're fully assembled. They're all kind of connected to each other. Let me see if I can plug them in and show you what they look like. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about these. I feel like I need to go put them on my porch right this instant. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. I would definitely recommend, obviously I haven't put them on my porch yet, but since it is covered, I really think they'll hold up nicely, and they're just the perfect size. They're really high quality and just so adorable. So I would definitely recommend these for your Christmas decorating needs.
Elevate your Christmas decor and make this season unforgettable. Don't miss out. Grab yours today.